What's up, everybody? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. Today I'm back with another RAVENCOIN analysis, and this time I'm extremely excited because there could finally be a break to be had. There could finally be some potential big movements. So with that being said, everybody, please stay tuned. I'll be right back. We're going to hop into the charts. All right, everybody, we know the drill. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I simply share my technical analysis in hopes that you use it as you see fit. But remember, you manage your own money and you manage your own risk. With that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. It all helps me very much. Also, I'm doing ADA, Bitcoin, RAVENCOIN, and I think I'm going to make a poll for a fourth coin and do just 4 coins and analyze those coins each at least once a week, and then I will try to get one video a week of just kind of something different, either a trading strategy or I'm looking into making a video on how to trade futures on KuCoin. I've done the margin trading video, so I will likely do a futures one as well. So yeah, give me a comment. Let me know if there's another coin that you would like, and if I get enough of them, I will start a poll. I'll do a poll question on YouTube. So just keep that in mind. But we're gonna hop into the charts for RAVENCOIN because I see the potential for something really big. And guys, I know this is gonna be similar to my ADA video because this Wyckoff accumulation phase, I'm gonna have the picture of the Wyckoff accumulation phase somewhere on this video, probably top right, top left corner. But this accumulation phase, I'm seeing on multiple different coins, all slightly different time frames or slightly different points of the accumulation phase, but we're definitely in an accumulation phase. We're definitely near the bottom, I believe, but please keep in mind that an accumulation phase can fail. The show of strength portion can fail the breakout part and then dip down into a deeper, deeper sell down and then start to reaccumulate at a lower price. Keep it in mind. So we're going all the way back to January 22nd when the price initially bottomed out. This would be what you call the selling climax. Then we had a run up to the kind of automatic rebuy, automatic rebound. It's just like the retrace of getting back up. Whenever there's a steep dive down, there's always a retrace to a level of support resistance, and this was the preliminary support. You see, as it was coming down, there was actually a little green candle mixed in there. I can zoom in a little bit. Held this as a support for at least a couple of hours, for 8, 12, 16 hours. It took 20 hours to break it, and then it went down. So the response typically comes back around that area. Now as we have a range, these dotted lines here going horizontal is a range of support resistance within the range, and I'll get to that in a little bit. So once we have the automatic return, then we have, typically we'll have a break to the upside that looks like it's breaking out, and we'll hit this higher level of resistance. And you can see this on multiple different coins. I believe the ADA video had a similar break to the upside that looked like a fake breakout. Like it looked like it was breaking resistance, but then it hit another level and it just kind of fell back down. So we recently fell below the initial selling climax, and this is the support touch in phase B, which will typically bottom lower than the selling climax. It typically be a lower bottom, and that's what we hit. This was the 4.5 cents range. This was the kind of the bottom that I call, where I said we could go sub 5 cents. Now there are two potentialities for phase C. There are two different Wyckoff accumulation phases, or not phases, but two different schematics. And there are two different potentialities. One is that we're going to come down and retest this low, and this would be a spring. We'll come down, retest this, or maybe even go a little bit lower. Maybe we'll wick down to like 4.5 cents, and then we'll spring off. And that'll be the kind of that snap of getting buying volume to pick up. Or we range in here for about this amount of time. It's going to be the same amount of time regardless. We either come down, hit this, and spring back up through, or we sit in this range and range between these two lines, because this was a support here after we hit our automatic retest, support, support, and now it became resistance, and this has been a support multiple times as well. So this could range, or we could come all the way down to the bottom. But either way, what we need to see is we need to see this come back up, break this highest level of resistance we've had at roughly 8 cents. We break this highest level of resistance, and in this range here, we also would break, you can see this diagonal line, we would also break the long-term downtrend. This could be the start of a new bull cycle for RAVENCOIN. Now, again, there's a lot of ifs. There's still a lot here to come to fruition. There's still a lot. So there's things that could happen. This touch in phase C, this touchdown, if it blows right through, then we go down and we start potentially seeing another accumulation phase, maybe at 3 cents or between 3 to 4 or 2 to 4. There's a potential to see that accumulation phase there. If it breaks and gets into this range, or if it gets stuck, let me move this down a little bit. If it gets stuck in this range and can't break this top resistance, it will likely come down and retest the bottom or break through the bottom. But if it does break the top in phase D, comes up and retests this and breaks out the top, you're looking at a potential 4x to 5x price, like very quickly. This could go parabolic and get back into the teens, back up to 14, 15 cents within like a week of breaking out. When this breaks out, there could be just, day after day after day of 12% gain, 15% gain, 20% gain, whatever it might be when we have these, these runs like this, where there's just massive, massive candles. Every 4 hours, there's 5%, 15%, 3%, just kind of going up non-stop green, 10% on 4 hours, 10% on 4 hours, 10%, like just kind of 10% after 10% after 10%, even on 4 hour candles, can get a massive increase. Like from here to here was 166% in 8 days. So that's what you're looking for. This is the kind of break we're looking at if we get out of this accumulation phase, and the potential is huge here. This is a very much a parabolic potential for RAVENCOIN. Now there's, like I said, again, I'm going to reiterate this, there's a lot left to happen. There's 2 more phases left to complete. Phase C has to either sit in this range or dip and spring. And then we gotta break this. We gotta break this show with strength. We gotta have a strong break through this line and this line. It can come up and bounce once or twice, but it's gotta come out hard. So with that being said, guys, that's the video for the night. I'm super excited about RAVENCOIN. There's still potential to get that super low price, to get it in at 4.5 cents, 4.7 cents, to get sub 5 RAVENCOIN. There's still potential for that. And even if you just stay out of buying anything in this range, when it breaks out here, there's likely going to be 100+% gain after this breakout. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, until next time, peace.